Stay tuned to meet Dan Bryson from North Carolina. He's my co-captain on the White Sox team in the upcoming Public Justice Foundation Phonathon. Well, hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today I have my White Sox co-captain, Dan Bryson from North Carolina, joining us. Hey, Dan.
Yeah, hey Mike, how you doing? Good to see you.
Yeah, likewise. It's great to talk to you again. We've been on a lot of conference calls lately about the upcoming Phonathon, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of our friends when we get together in Chicago on April 9th for the Public Justice Foundation Phonathon. And I guess we should probably explain to our viewers why in the world you and I are dressed as Chicago White Sox players.
Yeah, this year's theme is the Chicago White Sox versus the Chicago Cubs, and we're going to lead our team to victory in this competition that we're going to have in Chicago here in a few weeks. Looking forward to it.
Yeah, it should be a lot of fun. So if any of you Cubs are watching, look out. We're coming for you. It's going to be a lot of fun. Of course, it's a friendly competition. But, boy, I tell you, the Public Justice Foundation is just a great organization. And I know, Dan, that you've been supporting the group for a long time, pitching in with a lot of volunteer work and also finance support. So tell us about that. Why do you do that? Why do you put out all this time and energy into public justice?
Yeah, I love public justice, Mike. I tell you, I practice in Raleigh, North Carolina. Throughout my career, I've been able to help a certain number of people, try to get justice to the disputes and things that they have. But through public justice, it's a nationwide organization, and I'm able to band together with a group of like-minded attorneys and other professionals like yourself to try to bring justice to people on a nationwide level, to try to greatly expand our influence before the Supreme Court,
Right.
various circuit courts in the country, and the staff attorneys at Public Justice work tirelessly to try to bring justice to people who are not getting it otherwise.
Yes. Yeah, absolutely. I didn't know much about public justice. A friend of mine introduced me to the organization, and all it took was one reading of their newsletter to see the types of cases they're working on that just got me excited about it. And so I've been involved like you for a while. And I'm not a lawyer, so it's a little bit different perspective. I'm a business person, but I'm also a Seventh Amendment advocate, and I have seen how there are some cases, for example, which cannot really be prosecuted by a for-profit law firm because there's just not enough economic incentive in it, but they're very important cases that public justice can take on with support of its membership. And I feel really excited to participate in that and read the newsletters to know that we're helping support this organization both financially but also by raising funds and bringing in new members. So that's very gratifying as well.
Absolutely. A lot of the issues they're fighting, forced arbitration, we're losing the right to trials by jury in this country.
Yes.
And they're sending everything to arbitration. We have to continue to battle that. I know we've got an anti-bullying campaign that's been very successful, and many of the public justice attorneys are working very hard on that.
Yeah.
Very, very worthwhile issues that they're fighting for.
Great. Well, if you're watching this, don't be surprised if your phone rings between now and April 9th. It's me and Dan and the other volunteers, the White Sox, calling.
The White Sox, we've got it going this year. The Cubs think they have a good team led by the managers Roger Mandel and Tony Romnucci, but for the Cubs. But this is the year of the White Sox. They think they have some good players, but they haven't seen Tom Big Hit Sobel. He's coming in. really great pledges for us. Paul Catfish Bland is on our team, and the Catfish come through with some good leads. He's really combating what Arthur Bryant's been able to do, even though Arthur's on the other team.
Yeah.
Paul is doing a good job as well. So we've got, and we've actually just brought up from the Rockfish Peaches, Esther Berezovsky, who's going to be playing for the White Sox here, and she's going to be doing a great job for us at the Phonathon as well.
Well, it's going to be
everyone that can come and help support it.
Yeah, well, it's a great organization. I'm going to put links below this video on YouTube to Public Justice website. You can go on there and learn more. But what we want you to do is become a member. So there'll be a phone number below here and an email address you can send to if you want to take advantage of a special offer that's available only if you sign up or renew through the White Sox. And that special is that my company, Advocate Capital, will pay your first month's dues absolutely for free. So you want to sign up through the White Sox, right? And contact information will be below this, again, on YouTube. Hey, Dan, Can't wait till April 9th. It's going to be a great time in Chicago. We'll see you there.
Oh, it'll be great, Mike. Look forward to seeing you there. All right, thanks a lot.
Okay,
Signing off.
take care.